Class 144. Sensors and transducers. Transducer is one which converts energy from one form to another. Sensor and transducers are very similar devices. So initially, a transducer will have a sensor which is called as primary sensor. Once the sensor senses the input or the physical condition, say pressure, temperature, etc., then the sensor output is given to another device, say secondary transducer, which converts into the required form, required signal. So a transducer may have a primary sensor and a secondary sensor. For example, take a strain gauge. The strain gauge output will be change in resistance when pressure is exerted on it. But you need some other circuit to convert that resistance, change in resistance, into a voltage. This is called as transduction. Initially, you are sensing the phenomena. So transduction means second stage. So simply you may say physical quantity to electrical output, because usually transducer means a device which converts energy from one form to another. But most of the transducers are electrical type. For measurement, it is easy if the signal is in electrical form. Hence, a transducer in most of the cases can be defined as a device that converts non-electrical quantity into electrical quantity. For the transducer, we will have excitation, that is reference voltage or something, energy is given, which you will understand later. So, so we can have sensing element and transduction element. Sometimes the sensor may be able to give directly electrical signal. You may not need transduction element at all. For example, photo solar cell, the light energy or the light, that is a physical condition, physical, okay, that is converted into directly electrical signal. The sensor itself acts as trans transduction element also. Next is inverse transducer. Inverse transducer is the device that does reverse function, that it converts an electric quantity into a non-electric quantity. Example, it is a it's an actuator, precision actuator. Motor, it also converts electrical into mechanical, electrical into non-electrical quantity. But motor is not called as a transducer because it is not a precision actuator. Okay, if you use stepper motor for control purpose, then it can be called as an inverse transducer. More you will learn as you study. Classification of transducers. All these things are given in the notes. You can study yourself.